views and opinions expressed on this channel are not and should not be considered as financial advice. I am not a certified financial advisor and not registered with the FSCA. Welcome back to Chat with Tessa, everyone. It's your favorite Tsonga girl. I feel like I'm just in time for that March investment. Remember, I am choosing to share my investments with you guys for the whole year. So we've done January, we've done February, and now it is the March one. So how did Tessa invest her money this month? That is exactly what we're going to get into. And if you haven't watched the January and February investment videos, it's okay. I'll link it down here in the description box. All right, so you can check that out later. We're going to get into today's video. But before we do that, you guys know what the 5 of 5 is. Yes, it's not the 4 of 4. Konenge. Huh? 5 out of 5. And for 5 marks, who can tell me what the 5 out of 5 is? You'll get 10 marks if you also did the 5 out of 5 and also told me what the 5 out of 5 is. Alright guys, thank you so much for being subscribers. Thank you for supporting the channel by sharing the videos, liking, watching the ads, commenting. Guys, Nina, y'all give me a doof. Alright, let's get into today's video. So the companies that I'm going to mention in today's video that I have invested in, let me know in the comment section if these are companies that you are invested in. If you're not invested in them, let us know what are you invested in as well. Did you invest this month? Have you not invested? Are you also doing this month by month investing, DIY investing? You know, let me know in the comment section. So I had set aside 5,000 Rand to invest this month, and that is my target amount per month. Sometimes I will maybe go above that amount. Right now, I don't see any reason why I'd go below the amount. But guys, remember, even if you have $100 to invest, that in itself is enough. Even if you can only afford $50, but if you know that you are inflating your life with certain expenses that are unnecessary, maybe you can go and reconsider and re-look at your budget and allocate more money to investing and saving. All right. So this month there are 3 companies that I added to my portfolio. I didn't necessarily like the previous months add more to what I have. I decided to add some new ones. It's like, yeah, I just get interested. Something sparks my interest and I'm like, hey, I want to go in here. I want to go in here. I want to go in here. I know that maybe some of your portfolios are just like filled with companies. Mine is not that full yet. No, I don't think so. But also, like, you can invest in every single company in the JSE if you want to. You can. But I don't want a scattered portfolio like that. I honestly do not. Is your portfolio scattered, guys? Or is it like just 1, 2, 3, 4 companies in there? And I want to be able to add to most of them every single month. But you know, it's like they just bring new candy to the candy store. Well, it's always been there. I just notice it and I'm like, I want to buy this one. Anyway, so there are a few things that I'm going to talk about regarding these companies. What was their share price? How many shares did I get? And how much money I invested? And what was the total cost of investing? So what were the fees involved? And I'll also explain how your easy money on EasyEquities can actually help you to save more on your investment costs. What got me interested in Sibanye-Stillwater is this article by EasyEquities. I know, we know Sibanye-Stillwater as a mining company. No guys, they don't make water. I know. It's a mining company and maybe gold is the first thing that comes to mind. But there are other metals that they produce. And because of the EV market growing, EV standing for electronic vehicles, obviously they need batteries, right? And the metals that are needed in those batteries, like lithium and nickel, is something that Sibanye-Stillwater can produce, and that is awesome. And that definitely does mean they are looking to the future. And you can continue to read this article. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box. But this is one of the things that had me interested. And also, looking at this article by Business Live, it nicely summarizes what Sibanye-Stillwater is about. And it states here that Sibanye-Stillwater is a leading international precious metals mining company with a diverse portfolio in platinum group metal PGM operations in the United States and Southern Africa, gold operations and projects in South Africa, and copper, gold and PGM exploration properties in North and South America. Sibanye is the world's largest primary producer of platinum, the second largest primary producer of palladium, and a top-tier gold producer, ranking third globally on a gold equivalent basis, as well as a significant producer of rhodium and other PGMs and associated minerals such as chrome. The group is also the globally leading recycler and producer of spent PGM catalytic converter materials. All right, convincing enough for me. When I bought Sibanye-Stillwater, the share price was going for 66 Rand and 36 cents. It has since gone down to currently right now as I speak, it's at 57 Rand 30 cents. And I'll definitely be adding more to my shares over time because when they pay out a dividend, I want to ensure I have a lot of shares, meaning I'll get more money when they pay out the dividend. I know a lot of you already received your dividend, and that is awesome. Write down below if you already received your dividend from Sibanye-Stillwater yesterday. Begumnandi ne? Here is another EasyEquities article that is serving us research-wise regarding this new addition to my portfolio called Exxaro. Is it Exxaro or is it Exxaro? Guys, pronunciation Exxaro or Exxaro, cara. I don't know. But anyway, this one is a bit similar to one of my holdings, and if you've been attentive, can you write in the comment section which company does it seem similar to? And yes, it is a coal producing company, and yes, there's been a global crisis when it comes to the shortage of coal, and the prices have gone up because of that shortage. But also the world is trying to decarbonize. So what is to decarbonize? And it is the reduction of carbon dioxide emission from the economy. In other words, using up to 0% of fossil fuels, which include coal. So where does Exxaro fit in? Because I mean, they produce coal. So okay. Shifting into green energy, Exxaro Limited, one of South Africa's leading coal miners, has in August announced its intentions to move into green energy spaces, adding that one of the things that you do as a coal miner is to sell your coal to power stations. And we saw that within our markets, predominantly Europe, which we're selling coal to, with Germany amongst the biggest, there were already talks of renewables. All right, so I'm not going to read the whole article for you guys, but you can definitely check out the link in the description box. But this definitely piqued my interest, and I was like, not only for the prices now in coal being produced and being bought, but also for the future of greener energy that Exxaro is going to tap into. When I added Exxaro to my portfolio, it was going at 210 rands 96 cents, and the current price is 217 rand 80 cents. I actually bought it twice, and the second purchase is currently pending. I don't want to cancel it. Hopefully something here will go down so that my order gets processed. All right, so now what about dividends? Does this company pay out dividends? I went directly to their website and I clicked on dividend information, and this is what we found. Here's a nice little paragraph that's summarizing everything, and it says that in line with the company's dividend policy, Exxaro has declared a final dividend of 1,175 cents per share. Oh, this is good. So 1,175 cents, divide that by 100, that gives us 11 Rand 75 cents per share, which was approved by the board of directors on the 1st of March 2022 and is payable on the 9th of May 2022. So Tinama shareholder will be waiting for that dividend payout on the 9th of May. Come to think of it, that might actually be the reason why that the share price has gone up so much. Because people are buying the shares so they can get paid out the dividend. Okay. Last but not least, it is Anglo Platinum. Remember guys, last month Anglo Platinum was not added to my portfolio because it was pending and it was pending and pending. I decided, let me cancel the order. And then when I bought it again, still got one share in a bit of a fraction here. And this time around, I got it at 2,130 Rand 26 cents. It's now going for 1,950 Rands currently. And I think the last time when I tried to buy it, it was like at 2.5 or something. Anyway, the sad part here is that I missed out on the dividend. Yes, I missed out on the dividend. Some of you, maybe you got your dividend if you are invested in Anglo Platinum, Anglo American, and Anglo Gold Ashanti, right? And here's a nice article as well from EasyEquities. And they talk about these dividend payouts that are coming from Anglo Platinum, Kumba Iron and Ore, and Anglo American. And actually, I got my Kumba Iron and Ore dividend and I was happy. I'll also link this in the description box below. Easy money. So what is it and how can it help you? So when you sign up for EasyEquities, there is a part where they ask you for a referral code. And if you added somebody's referral code, you will get easy money and they will also get easy money. So for example, you sign up for EasyEquities today and you use my referral code, you will get easy money and I will also get easy money. Both of us get it. And you can keep doing this. Anyone in your family that's new to EasyEquities, you can give them your EE number and that is the referral code, essentially your referral code. Everybody has a different code. Give them your EE number and then you can continue getting easy money. But it's only once, like if the person is new to EasyEquities, right? That initial time. So another new person and another new person and so forth and so forth. So all that money that is in your easy money balance, that money there essentially offsets your brokerage fees. So I'm probably paying a lot less on my broker fees because of the money that's in my easy money balance. So whenever you are referring people to EasyEquities, when they are registering, remind them to use your referral code because you will get $50 in easy money until that value changes, and they will also get $50 in easy money. So now when you're investing and the brokerage fees were like 5 Rands, you're not going to pay that 5 Rands if you already have that balance in your easy money. Nice, right? Exactly. And honestly, like when I'm about to check out and place my buy order, I'm like, oh, this is nice. I didn't pay this amount because it was discounted from my easy money balance. So that is what easy money is, and that is how it can help you. Thank you for hanging out with me today and watching what exactly I did with my investments this March. I really hope that this motivates you to invest as well. I wonder what you're invested in, if you invested, and if not, if you haven't started, what's holding you back? What's going on? Write to us in the comment section. Let's see how we can help you. Remember to always share with your community, and that's your friends, your colleagues, your family, your neighbor. Help other people grow as you grow. Level up together. Thank you, Cancer. Goodbye.